out your door. It's just one thing. Well, you can't tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman man, no time to talk. Music loud, really want me keep you back. Just how I thought. It's alright, I'm okay, and you ain't look the other way. We can try to understand and do your time. I can't go there. Whether you're a brother or whether you're a mother, you're staying alive, you're staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, you're staying alive, you're staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive.
I said now overcast day never turned me on. Something about the clouds and her were mixed. She wasn't too bright, but I could tell when she kissed me. She knew how to get her kicks. Yeah, she wore a raspberry beret, the kind you find in a secondhand store. Raspberry beret, yeah. And if it was warm, she wouldn't wear much more.
Today we are going to be going on a bike ride with my brother. So I have a new tablet case, so I don't know how I'm gonna hold it. Like I might hold it like this, like this. I don't know. This looks pretty safe.
Today's video we're going to be doing.
Oh yeah, and my brother's recording. I might have to hold you guys like this. I really don't know. Wait guys, I think I found the way. Do you know the way? That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Guys, I'm gonna have to hold you guys like this. I'm gonna hold you guys like this. I need to pick my peg up. It's kind of hard to hold, but we're gonna do it. Right, Harley? You just gotta hold it with your thumbs, really. It is kind of hard, though. It's not that hard, though. After you start, Harley, stop coffee. Okay, guys, wait. I'm gonna turn you guys around so you can see the road. Now, Harley, turn your camera around. No, towards the road. Stop it. There's a spider.
What?
There's a spider. You guys see that?
You want me to lock it off?
Yeah. Lock it. Lock it. This is just a spider. What can it do?
Back and twist it.
Back it,
Pull
twist
it.
it.
I know.
Just get it.
I don't want it to harm me.
It
You
won't.
smack it.
No.
Yes, you smack it.
Fine, guys. Why am I scared of a spider? It's just a
There's a spider. Oh my.
Bro,
I need to
it climbed back up.
I need to go. I need a video.
What?
I just recorded a video.
What?
I ended the video and what we're doing.
Yeah, That's the blood. That's not blood. So it's coming from my. You might not want to hold that. Okay, Harley's starting a new video, so let's go. Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. Just do this. Okay guys, yeah, this is at my grandma's house. Okay, by the way, there's gonna be some of my brother's POVs. So if you see the camera switch, it's just my brother's POV. Okay? What? Your thumb hurts really bad. Can you hold it? It's not bad. Yeah. It don't hurt that bad. It just it kind of hurts. Oh, there's a bee right in front. Oh, I swear there was a bee. Oh, it's right. It went like it went like in your wheel, bro. Car. Okay, let's get to the side. This is fun. What? You can hold it like this. Or you can hold it like this. Harley, look. Wait. I'm holding mine like this for a minute. Just hold it.
Okay.
like this, sideways, and you're holding it like this. Face your camera. Wait, get over here. Come. Yeah, and then face the camera towards the front and hold it this way. So it's looking in the front. Okay. Yeah. Just make sure it's looking at me, because it's looking back at you. It's not, the camera has to be turned around. What? What? Get to the side. Okay, find them. What? Harley's getting so mad, guys. What? Don't hold it like this. Just hold it like from the side. Ridley's getting so freaking mad. He's trying to record it. What? What? Yes, it does. Harley. See? What? Well, I don't know what to say. Bro! Chihuahua ain't there again. Harley, I hope the Chihuahua isn't there again. Are you recording? Yeah? Side. Here we go. Molete, 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 molete. Or something. What? Bro. Going to the beach. You know it's gonna be fun. Oh, get sand, water, sand. What? Don't hold it like that, that's scary. Drop you guys in there and I'm gonna get scared and I'm gonna cry and I'm gonna die and I'm gonna fry. I remember when I got on the back of here and it was looking like that, and then I got on the back of this, which is over here, And then I didn't know this could do this. So then when I leaned back, it did this. It did this. Look. It did. And I felt like I was gonna fall back. What? I would get so scared. That looked so scary, guys. I felt like you were gonna drop your tablet. I would hold it like I am. Let's see how cool the water is looking. You feel like I'm about to drop my tablet, don't you? Let's see how weird the water looks over here. Yeah, I'm really doing. Booty tickler. Oh. You felt the same scaredness I did.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. What? Look at this beautiful water splash. Oh, I was turning around. Look at that. Oh, good, Harley. Where did you see a frog at? What? Yeah?
Look at that view.
Yeah, look.
Look at that, bro.
This looks so good.
On a boat.
On a boat, this would be a nice good.
We used to swim as well, bro. You know what it looks like, bro?
It looked like Dookie now, but it used to be blue. Look at this beautiful current. It's gonna be fun. Okay, now I'm just back around and I'm gonna do the Harley trick. Turn them around so it's facing this way. And I'll do this. We're going to
I feel like it's gonna like splash and it's gonna get on my tablet.
look at this, guys.
Dude, there's something in it. You see that sticker, guys?
Yeah. That's that fire thing. There's people coming in. So, I'll go to the bathroom. So, okay. Or we can hang them up here. So, yeah, I'll be back.
Yeah, you'll be back. Oh my god, my shoe. Ah. Both of my shoes. I tripped. I tripped, guys. I tripped. Yep. There's two tablets on it. My shit. I gotta go to the bathroom. The aunt's coming right now, so. Go. Hola.
What? No. Guys. So, there should be 2 POVs. So, yeah, so there's gonna be POVs, and it's gonna be really cool. We're gonna start doing that. It's gonna be like my POV and then Harley's POV at some point of the video, or Harley's POV and then mine. You never know. because Harley's channel got deleted. So now he's posting videos on my channel again. So yeah. If anyone that's watching this has a YouTube channel and wants to make a collab, comment down below your name and your YouTube name and say you want to make a collab, and then we'll figure it out in the comments, okay? So yeah. Okay. Okay, Harley. Let's go. Let's get back on our bike ride. Yeah, you're right. Harley's all the way back there, so. Guys, so the reason I'm making this video so good is because I just wanted to, and later we're going to the Battle Jacks game, so yeah, I'm not gonna record there because it's in public, and yeah. What? Okay, guys. Let's go. Let's get home. Because my tablet's about to. To the beach. We're gonna be fun. What? I said we're gonna be fun. What does that even mean? The whole day of this hot sun, I'm fun. bong, young bong, yippee windy dong dong, yippee squong guong, yippee gong gong, abba dong dong. So guys, Harley's back there. Yeah. We're going to it's gonna be fun. A whole day, sing on the sun. We're going to Harley needs help. Let's go. A whole day of otter sun. We're going. What? Then don't hit bumps. Don't hit the bumps then.
There's bumps everywhere. There's cracks.
No, the cracks are considered bumps.
God.
You don't want to go?
I don't know. This is annoying.
You don't have to record.
Yeah, but what am I going to do with my tablet?
Put it in. Oh. I don't know. You might just have to hold it.
No, I'm not holding it. It's annoying.
And you're gonna have to, I know. Oh. See, you think you're having a bad day? Look at me. Guys, I just got rambled and scrambled. There is 2 new cracks in my tablet. Bro, I dropped my tablet like that. And then now my case is probably all scratched up. Guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. Cause yeah guys, that's it for today's video. See you all next time. Bye.